So we're moving from one tech matter to another tech matter because this morning on Something to Smile About, Sim and I will see if we have what it takes to be AI artists by asking an online AI art generator to create images based on text prompts that we will come up with. So, which one of these two are we using? DALL-E or Stable?
I have no idea, God.
All right, let's go with Stable.
Well, first we have to help the folks understand how this
thing
works.
Right.
So
you can do
go on.
Yeah, you can do a quick search for AI art creators, right? And that will give you some options like what we've seen, right? And what happens is that we are instructing. You can instruct the AI generator to create images based on some text that you enter, so you can have a little fun with it.
Okay.
Right? So we could literally right now just tell it to do something, right? Strange combinations, and then see what happens. So, for example, prime ministers on a bicycle.
Okay.
This should be interesting. Prime ministers on a bicycle. Let's see. I want it as a cartoon. Give me like a modern comic. Let's have a little fun there. Boom. And by the way, you will need credits. You can apply for credit. No, not apply for, but purchase credits. So that you can get these things done. I'm not quite sure what the cost of the credits are, but go based on your budget. Which two prime ministers that those him?
I'm not sure any of those actually exist.
All right, loading completed, but I don't know which two prime ministers that at all. I cannot identify those two.
I don't think it's supposed to be two existing, is it?
I don't know.
I don't think so.
What, them the prime ministerial?
Okay, let's
create something else. Let's go with. Right,
let's try Jamaican chopper.
Jamaican chopper. In what kind of style?
See there? Let us do it in a photo, Shane.
Jamaican chopper.
Chopper? They're gonna come up with a helicopter.
Black and white portrait.
I wanna try. You going black and white? All right.
Yeah.
Let's see black and white.
Jamaican chopper. This should be funny.
Let's see if Never Bell face come up.
That's definitely not Never Bell.
Is this a real person?
No, hold on. Jamaican chopper.
If this is your relative or friend, I apologize.
Or it looks like